Some Jamaican lady was like, yeah, the boy, yeah, the boy, come tactic, yeah, the boy, yeah, the boy, come tactic, yeah, the boy, yeah, the boy, come tactic, 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 yeah, the boy, come tactic, tactic, yeah, the boy, tactic, tactic, yeah, the boy, come tactic.
Is Vlog about to eat?
Yo, stop.
Hey, virgin blue, hey, demon crease. Pussy jump like rabbit when the money talk. Tonya bitch, I got it, now she love it dark. Choja me ever got it, but she love it rap. Say she wants see me soul, so me come in her. Say she love it sinner, yeah, she love it sauce. Me no believe in her love, God go with that. God go with that. Pill get pop, mama sing with ease. Go on your knees and sing with keys. Hey, virgin glue, hey, demon grease. Do it for the love, she not do it for the cheese. Pill get pop, mama sing with ease. Go on your knees and sing with keys.
Welcome to St. Lucia. We're in St. Lucia finally. Oh my gosh. We had a long journey getting here. We got here at like midnight or something. No, I think it was like 1 o'clock when we got here. So after that, we just kind of showered and went to bed. But now it's 7 a.m. We have floating breakfast at 9:30. So I'm having like a reaction in my eyes, mainly this one, to I don't know what, but for like it happened 2 nights ago. I saw my eye was getting like a little bit puffy, and then yesterday my eye literally blew up. So I don't think I'm gonna do my lashes anymore. I think I'm retiring after this. I'm done. And the host, listen, I'm gonna make an itinerary and I'm gonna put it right in the description box below, because the host, she's so sweet. And despite the fact that we got here at like 1 o'clock in the morning, she met us here. She gave us a whole house tour, a quick house tour, just because it was late. But she gave us a whole house tour. She let us know everything that we need to know. She's been texting us recommendations. Like, she's really a great host. I would recommend this place, 10 out of 10. We're gonna do a land tour. We're gonna go to Sulfur Springs. We're going to meet up with my other friend and do a yacht. I think that's gonna be so fun. What else do we have planned? I have so much, but it feels like I have nothing. Hopefully they can't hear me, but earlier I made them like gift baskets. Like, it takes a lot to, like, we're all working, we all have our own life, we're all post-grad. Like, it takes a lot to just get up and go on a whole vacation and spend thousands of dollars. So I appreciate that. I appreciate shopping. When you're wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a reggae song. This view is beautiful. Let me give you some love on a bed. If this place isn't on your bucket list, add it. You got so ahead of me. You got so ahead of me. Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh, nice. Period. This is real cute. Okay, I gotta get. Okay, this is good. Okay. Thanks for coming, guys. Wait. Ashley Tequila. Okay, Rocky. Rocky's dropping shot.
see Janine. It's Joyride. Okay.
And Naughty Naz. The one.
Wonderland.
I was foreshadowing.
With
Ashley, Rocky, J Money, and then we know Tiara. Yeah. So there was a big roach, and I was trying to convince Janine to move it, but she was acting all scary.
Turn around.
You was acting scary. You wasn't trying to kill the roach.
Okay. Yo, the 4K is crazy. Okay.
I'm expecting all the content from you.
Yeah. Yeah, right.
It looks so good.
Oh, happy. Nazi, smile.
Hey, hey.
Check the milk
My rule for the trip: if you ask what we're doing today, you have to take a shot.
If you decline a shot, you gotta take a shot. Yeah.
If you're the last one ready, you gotta take a shot.
The last person to finish their drink has to take another shot.
It's actually so fun here. We're giving very much luxury. This beer, wait, let me see. I like it, but it's not Red Stripe. I know. Never came back.
wet like the ocean. Give me love potion. Say, girl, wine. Go on your head. Go on the ground, my brother, go on the bed. I'm gonna give up the bag. Just let the bag. She on it.
Hear me. The floating breakfast was really nice. It was after the Instagram, right here. But it was nice. It was like that was you. I'm talking to my people. Ooh, they're so rude.
You didn't see none of that last night?
No, I didn't see none of this. That's beautiful. Yeah, everyone records. Good morning. Welcome back. Okay, I recorded this already and I realized that since yesterday evening, I've been recording everything in slow-mo, which is why I have no more space on my camera, but on my SD card. But I'll say it again because you guys didn't see. But recap of yesterday, since everything was in slow-mo, we was waiting all evening for our driver. Then we met with him and we kind of wanted KFC, but he said he would take us somewhere for some good food. So he took us to like this food truck type of things. The food was okay. The wings were like this small. Wait for the wings because they only had lamb or pork at the moment. So we left. We went to the supermarket. We was drinking before that, so we was kikiing in the supermarket. It was fun, and it made some drinks, some shots. We had a little bartender with us, and then we went to the pool. I left early from the pool because I was tired, so I went to sleep, and I think they stayed for a little bit longer, but yeah, now it's the next morning. I want a roti so bad, so I'm gonna find some doubles tonight's Friday, so we're gonna go to the Friday night street party. If you know, you know, but I'll tell you guys, listen, you'll know.
Thank you, it's just another day. It's just another day. Oh. Thank you, Jamie, wake up this morning. Roll out the earth before me start yawning. Down round bus a kiss for me darling. Tell her say honey me a touching on the street. In the street me see poor people balling. No juvenile even yam from morning. Where the black woman future me oxen. Where the system a do be sheep. No.
big up the girl, them we fight it and no one and a race 2, 3 big.
This is pain. Oh my gosh. I was just about to record a video and show everyone what I'm about to use to make my skin shimmer, and I just dropped it. It spilled on my towel, on the floor. Oh, it's on the wall. Where's my sunblock? I'm recording a TikTok, so it's recording too, but I'm using sunscreen first. I took pictures yesterday and I feel like my skin looked dry, so I'm gonna put on sunscreen first, and then I'm busy doing this right here. The sunscreen is gonna protect me. This should make me shimmer. There's little bits of glitter in here, and I used it yesterday, but I didn't feel like I saw much glitter, so that's why I'm mixing it with these two, so that maybe they will contrast each other, but we'll see. I clipped the pins that were supposed to be for my hair. I clipped it onto my shoe too, so it can like look cute. All right, this is the fit. The shoes, clip some cherries, get into the cherry earrings, the picnic bow. My whole outfit is Shein or Amazon. Picture video. Look at this beautiful, it's just a mountain.
That's what homeboy said. Homeboy said, he was like, it's just a mountain.
But it's so beautiful. Like, we don't see stuff like, yeah. We're taking pictures of this beautiful mountain, and they say it's just a mountain.
He was like, it's just a mountain.
It's not just a mountain. We're on vacation.
Like,
hello.
Let us rock.
But yeah,
like
we got these things, whatever. Aw, so cute. We about to jump in this water. It's so hot. It's about 105 degrees over here. Huh? How much is it?
Everybody on the beach, they try and charge people 25. So we do it like this. You wash out your lady feet. No disrespect. You wash out your lady feet.
I just breathe this shit. I can breathe that shit.
You take the aloe vera, my boss, alright?
She's my
Open it up.
Stop playing with the girl. With that handprint. You need to do that too.
Yeah, they look so pretty over there.
Can you rip this out? Oh, hold on.
Big booty hoes, up with it.
Wow. What she need?
A drink.
Period. Period. What's your YouTube name?
@JSmall.
@JSmall. I'll put it there. Rocky. Long time. 7 years. I haven't seen this person in 7 years.
That's crazy.
How you feel seeing me?
Oh, I feel cool.
It should be an honor. I'm just playing with you.
Oh, yeah.
It's an honor to see you, Rocky.
I'm not chatting.
Say it again.
Let you on me.
Well, let me
Janine, can you let them know what you do for a living?
Right.
Please.
I don't have a job right now.
Bro, it be the people with no jobs. Have you heard of the most?
Yeah.
Well, what you want to drink?
Nah, she's playing.
I'm not playing. I'm serious.
Lunch is on Janine.
Overrun with love.
E4 man. Take back shot. Skin it out and take back shot. In now, take back shot. She sneak out and take back shot. How much you need?
So Janine says, psych. Wow. Everybody gotta pay.
She tricked us, y'all. She tricked us. I tried.
Back shot. She sneak out and take back shot. How what she need? How what she want? She want lip and cocky and balls. She want lip and cocky and balls. Teeth out her, yeah, she put up in her shots. How what she need? How what she want?
It's beautiful.
Back shot. She sneak out and take back shot. How what she need? How what she want? She want lip and cocky and balls. She want lip and cocky and balls. Teeth out her, yeah, she put up in her shots. How what she need? How what she need?
Oh my gosh. Hell no. Ready?
Baddie, shot us up.
All right.
Another one. Where's the what's the picture?
Oh wait, let me actually. Yeah.
You be getting me tight with that shit. No bullshit. You be pissing me off with that stupid shit.
Y'all was being cooped up. Y'all was missing. I thought you was like you. Make it.
Personalized.
That's not my personal. I don't want to know more. You took it, Rocky?
Everybody can't say it in front of everybody, yeah. And then whoever's the drunkest, we record them at the end.
So everybody just take it on their phone and then. Okay, my name's Janine, and I think Rocky's going to be the drunkest, for sure. There's not a doubt in my mind. Okay.
I didn't bring a chaser. Oh my gosh, I didn't bring a chaser. Okay. I'm Nazi. I'm Shay Nazi. Whatever you want to say. I think Tiara is gonna be the drunkest. I know she is. Tiara is gonna be the drunkest. Period.
Okay. Hey, everybody. I'm Janet, and I think. Okay, start over. Y'all edit it out. Okay. Hey, y'all. I'm Janet. I think Rocky is gonna be the drunkest.
My name is Tiara, and I think Rocky's gonna be the drunkest.
I'm taking first. Fuck. I think Tiara is gonna be the drunkest. I'm gonna get her drunk. Yo, my name is Rocky, and with my shot. I think the drunk. I think the drunkest person is gonna be Nazi tonight.
6. Hey yo, Brooks. She want a booster. What she want? She want a booster. Talk to them now.
I go in tip in a belly, tip in a belly, tip in a belly, make it. I go in tip in a belly, tip in a belly, make it. Alright, booster, my booster in your head, in your bedroom, baby. I tell you, cause it's no problem. I tell you, booster, my booster in your head. Take out your paper, baby, for sure. Take out my belly. I go in tip in a belly, tip in a belly, tip in a belly, make it. I go in tip in a belly.
Period. We have.
find someone.
No, this is different.
It's 3 o'clock in the morning and they're trying to get food. Go to sleep. What you mean you want to get food? What is it called? Sharma. Sharma ring. Yeah, let's see the menu. Good morning. We are about to check out of this current Airbnb. Our driver is going to be here in like maybe an hour. So checkout is at 12 here. Check-in is at 3 over there. But I asked him if we could just drop off our bags at least. So the other host said we can drop off our bags and then come back at 3. So we're just going to go and eat. Last night was fun. It was crazy. Yeah, we're going to have a team meeting because we need to discuss who was the drunkest, I guess. The Airbnb looks really nice and big. We'll see you at 3 o'clock because we early. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful view. Another hill.
10 hours later.
We made it after we done hikes up and down the mountain. We made it here.
I don't know what this is all about, but I'm going up this mountain to save my marriage.
Let's try this shrimpy shrimp. Let me do the seaweed again.
Now that is very good. What is this? Ginger probably? I think it's onion.
That shrimp is so good. Oh my god.
Isn't it? Try this, the seaweed salad on the shrimp.
It's right here. The food came 1 minute and 16 seconds ago and it's done. It's been 1 minute. Yeah, we was hungry. We literally ate it. We ate it in 10 seconds. If we. It's different. Like it don't taste like Ali's Roti Shop, but it tastes.
Oh, you took me there, right? Oh my goodness, that place.
I did. Oh my gosh.
I was in Boston last year this time. Last year?
She be. I don't even know. She probably come when I didn't even be there.
Let us pray, Jamaica, let's pray, let us pray, everybody, let's pray, let us pray,
The watchman watch it.
guide me through the night and
Thank you, it's just another day. See you just another day. Thank you, Jamie. Wake up this morning, roll out the earth before you start your
No.
Hurricane.
You did not know.
It's kind of early for the year.
Okay.
Because usually they come around August, September, but this year is predicted to be a real bad year.
Oh, okay.
Thank you, Jamie. Wake up this morning, roll out the earth before you start yawning. Don't round bus a kiss for me, darling. Tell her, say, honey, me a touching at the street. In the street, me see poor people balling. No juvenile devil, yam from morning. Where the black woman future, me oxen. Where the system a do be sheep. No, big up the girl, them we fight it and no one and a raise 2, 3 big.
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's
Yeah, so you see, I had to block these
yes.
like this.
Oh, so it would definitely come in.
Yeah, because the rain would just.
Wake up this morning, roll out the earth before you start yawning. Don't round bus a kiss for me, darling. Tell her, say, honey, me a touching at the street. In the street, me see poor people balling. No juvenile devil, yam from morning. Where the black woman future, me oxen. Where the system a do be sheep. No, big up.
It feels like it's way more people supposed to be here.
Purr.
Wait. Get here.
Oh, I didn't even do it to that one. Whatever.
Oh. It's nice and cold at least. Suck it up, suck it up, suck it up, suck it up.
Yeah, remember to get juice and water. Okay, so juice and water for sure.
Let's take another one.
Come on, Janet. Janet, I keep mixing you and Janet up. Y'all
My mom
names.
does the same thing.
Janet and Janine.
Yeah.
I keep saying
She's always
Janine, but I meant to say Janet.
Janet, but it's just
Like
Real niggas open the door for their women, okay?
Do it again for me.
Remember that?
Do it
Let me
again.
show y'all.
Bye bye. Well,
Thank you. Like a real one. We're basically on our way to some waterfalls. We have our patrons, our locals in the back.
Outside.
Yeah, she has a
key. Is it locked?
I think so.
Wait.
Oh my god.
Hey, I'm officially 25. I'm 25. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I can't. Wait a minute. You guys are so funny.
Feelings together and they come back. Get your feelings together.
Let me go talk to the people then.
Yeah.
These girls, bro. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. Let me get to show the people. So I walked in and boom, I had paparazzi in my face. Truly blessed. Where's my lights? Yeah, this is so nice. Like, I'm in St. Lucia. It's my birthday. I'm so blessed to be with the people I'm with. Like, what can I ask for? I cannot ask for anything more. I'm just so grateful. Oh my gosh, if I cry, I'm gonna be so bad. I'm just so grateful. Like, I'm so blessed. God has blessed me so much, and you don't even understand. I'm just saying, God has blessed me so much, and thanks guys, bye. I can't do it.
Activation time. You ready now? C to the A, to the AMP. Jive with the champ. Well, let me go along. Active. Activate. Activate.
Cheated. Okay, yay, happy birthday. Oh, period. No. There's another bottle. There's another bottle. There, the bottle popped.
I didn't think it was gonna pop. I told you it was. But I was holding my finger on it.
That thing is strong, girl. Damn.
Yeah.
Bueno. We can pop another one another day. Birthday!
Happy birthday.
Always finds a way to make me uncomfortable. There's always a affectionate friend with a non-affectionate friend. We go together. Real bad. Pants are from Fashion Nova. My top is from Shein. My shoes are from Shein.
Yeah. Swimsuit from MAC Collection. What's this? Skirt from H&M. And shoes from Kenworth.
Or black essential, for the waterfall. Fashion Nova.
Okay, period. Outfit. Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova.
That's unreal.
That's in 2 different companies.
That's 2 different?
Yeah, that one, the first one is in Sulfur.
Yeah.
And the other one is in sugar.
What?
After
They look right next to each other.
Next to each other.
One voice I done, voice I do that I present to them. DJ Treasure here.
Hello. Good, how are you doing?
I'm fine. Okay. You from the US?
Mm-hmm.
Which part?
New York, Boston.
Oh, the Red Sox.
Red Sox.
Oh, you're pretty. What's your name?
Nazi.
Nazi, they call me Terry.
Hi, Terry.
Yeah, they call me the walking with the sugar bitch. And that's where they filmed the movie, The Bachelor, in between.
Oh, wow.
The Bachelor.
I'm my boutique, all right?
Okay.
Now what I go do, I go take a group picture for everybody, like super ladies, okay?
Okay.
Okay, and they have a picture I want to do for you one by one. No.
That's cute.
Yes. Okay, muscles.
Okay. 007.
Yeah, 007.
That's my nickname.
It's beautiful. How you feel, Rocky? You feel better? That's good. That's amazing.
Oh, it looks so good. That looks good.
Look at God's creation. Yes. You can't tell. Look at this.
This is what life's about, bro. What?
Mm-hmm.
T-shirts.
Oh, for the towel? Yeah.
Sulfur.
I'm gonna get a bag.
So come, my darling.
It's good?
Come, which bag you want, my darling?
Can I actually use?
Hello?
Ooh, it's hot.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get it when we're walking back.
Okay, no
I don't
problem.
wanna.
That's good. The hot sauce. No.
Oh my God. Hot sauce is hot. I like it. Yeah.
It's good.
Oof. Oh, yes.
It's busting.
The Rasta one.
He wants this one.
Irie.
Yeah.
You want to get on your way back, or do you want it now? You want to
now.
mount it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's really cute.
Happy birthday, Nazi!
E4 take back shot. Skin it out and take back shot. In out, take back shot. Just sneak out and take back shot. How what she need? How what she want? She want lip and cocky and balls. She want lip and cocky and balls. T4 yeah, she put up in her shots. How what she need?
I love St.Lucia. I don't want to go home. I hate home. I hate home. I hate home. I hate it.
You post a picture, I post my status and I say,
Yeah.
come forward.
I need a husband.
Hi.
Hey.
How do you like St. Lucia?
Oh, I love St. Lucia.
Did you find your husband?
Possibly.
Love in St. Lucia, obviously. Love in St. Lucia.
Did you find your husband?
Good.
A husband.
What is it about Vegas? Well, that's my girl. Are you going back, Titi? Going back? When?
As soon as I leave. Where we gave him all the phones
Wait,
and
block
stuff,
your,
so
I block your view?
Get up here. Let's dance.
Look at my bag. About to be so gray. Oh my gosh. You're gonna go to the beach and like seal it in, and then we'll be good. But this feels really good. It feels amazing. 10 years, 20 years younger.
So we left
sulfur sealed into our body. We have some drinks, we have shots. Look at the view. We was loving y'all.
Right. We love you some Janet, y'all.
Oh, okay.
Oh, sexy! Big sexy!
Well, no, that's not it. Let me show you the one. Let me show you the one, okay? Let me show you the one. Hold on.
I'm gonna tell y'all this.
What he say?
London
or America? But look, ready? You ready?
Well, I'm from London. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. I've been that girl. I'm telling you.
Oh, ready? Oh yeah, we know.
Since he was kids.
This really wow. That picture is so pretty. Like this is this is tea. Oh my gosh.
So this is what I got to eat. Ashley got wings. Everyone else got wings. Wings. Janine tore up them wings. As you should, babes. Wings. That's the thing. One thing about Janine,
she gonna get that sauce.
She gonna lick the plate clean, real clean. Okay, vlog. We're looking at Dennery right now. We just left the beach.
Oh, stop at all. Drop this Arizona around an Albemarle. Driver, don't even itch. Collect a little food there and come back quick. Driver, just remember the damn speed limit. Cause if you're running the fence, my friend, that is it. I've got an Nextel phone and a singular chip. Any problem you can reach me on this. I pounds them and buy when a tons man a ship. Green like grass, brown like chocolate. FedEx and UPS I make several trips. I keep my eyes closed so I can see the darkness. Would you love this to get bigger?
This is day, I don't know, but we're in St. Lucia and it's a hurricane right now. I forget, it's called Hurricane something, but we're literally currently in a hurricane. I don't know if you can hear how loud it is. Look at Janet. How was your night?
It is.
Hey, how you feel about the hurricane?
It's really peaceful, honestly, not gonna lie to you.
It's not that bad. Like where we are, it's not that bad. It could be worse. Honestly, let me just open this. Yeah, it's just windy and rain. But the hurricane hit other places and it's supposed to migrate to like Trinidad and Grenada. But we're okay here. So that's it.
See the ocean no more.
No, it's all gray. And you can just hit. Girl, you better get them chairs.
Girl, I'm scared about that.
Let's go. Let's go. Chairs before they blow away. I got the door. Oh, wait.
Damn, that's a lot.
Wait a minute. Hold on.
What? Wait a minute. I almost took a shower. Quick. Ready? Hold it open. Get it! Nah, bro.
Because the wind took the door away from me. Her chairs were outside, so we had to get it, but the wind almost took us and the door away. This is what we wake up to. Vibes, bottles, food, like St. Lucia, what's up?
This shit is mad good, bro. It's mad good. Guys, the power went out. We got no AC. Fridge is off. We really got nothing in there, really.
Phone almost dead.
We should go swimming. Cool off.
Are y'all stupid?
Why we gotta be stupid?
Yeah, so we don't know. We was just trying to figure out how to extend our trip in our days, and then we have no power. So.
Toilet paper. We got no toilet paper.
We got the wine. We got the liquor.
We got liquor though.
We got liquor. All we have is
struggling.
I miss a family. Sure. If I want thing, me hate a fern killer. Me no believe in a fern killer. Family. I miss a family. Sure. Me love me family, them do me heart. Me would do the earth one of them. Real kill it dead to the end, dead from me start. Me real better them. Cause them no know when we are right tree starting. And 1 pound of rice from shop. And them no know when we are dead.
Gotta make some pasta. Call it. We're taking it one moment at a time. That's right. One moment at a time.
We're still lit though, like we're
we lit. We're valid. We're not like
chilling. Ain't nothing stopping this.
Hard to have a wet fit later.
Yeah, that's it. Gotta turn the gas on.
Ooh, see? If there's really an emergency, the hotel has to be open.
Really?
Like, what are they gonna do with their guests?
Yeah, exactly.
They're there.
Cool.
Welcome to the tropics. During hurricane season. An hour later, the water is boiled, and Rocky is trying to teach Miss Ma'am how to play spades. She's learning. She's learning.
This is me, right? Okay, but we're not thinking like that. We're not gonna flood out. We have food. We're gonna eat something. We got something to eat, something to put in our stomachs. We have water.
Okay.
And we have each other. That's all we need.
Yeah, everything else is a luxury that we take for granted.
Everything else is a luxury.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna learn.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We have each other.
Y'all go.
Just be like, oh shit. I can't see.
A little bit.
No, it's because of this. That's why.
Okay. Light up, okay, light up.
Cheers.
St. Lucia.
Finally, y'all accidentally did it. The first time. Life is not acting like this. Great.
Professional. I had a great time.
I'm listening. I'm mopping.
But like, I feel like these dishes, they be wanting to take too many for the team. Too many.
Did you take one?
No.
Oh.
This is my last night here on this island.
No, it's not the last night.
Who do I choose? Let's go to the store.
We had a ball.
Yeah, we're about to go to the store. We're gonna be back. Get some food, finally.
En papier stick, beau, l'homme just fait chalet pour m'en faire mon trou. Bouk me fait ding, ding, dong. Enlève mon ta maman qu'on enclenche. Chanter AB, C, oui, 1, 2, 3, tête fille à chapper. Après on paye, on dit, on bien aller, on
Me about all year. You see my girl?
condition cause I do have a mini-me.
When some of these ladies move the bumper, I swear it's all condition cause I do. Give me the siren. Bend that. Put down my girl. Bend that.
Yeah, getting tattooed.
Of course, we're friends. Why can't we be friends?
Yes, Rocky. How you feel?
Yo, what's up? Hey, bird in blue, hey, demon, please. Pussy jump like rabbit when the money talk. Tonya be China, got it, now she love it dark. Chua jag me ever got it, but she love it raw. Say she want see me soul, so me come in her. Say she love it sinner, yeah, she love it sauce. Me no believe in a love, that go with that. That go with that. Pill get pop, mama sing with ease. Go on your knees and sing with keys. Hey, virgin glue, hey, demon grease. Do it for the love, she not do it for the cheese. Pill get pop, mama sing with ease. Go on your knees and sing with keys.
This was like, oh, take my shot.
Not bad in Spanish, but you bad in bum bum. You bad in bum bum. When all girls take English, new position you unleash. Cause you bad in bum bum. You bad in bum bum. Boom. Walk it, set it, walk it, set it, walk it, set it, set it, set it. Yeah, walk it, set it, walk it, set it, walk it, set it, set it. Yo, wow, 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 wow. Girl, I love to feel it, whipping, whipping, whipping. Pulling, pulling, pulling. Girl, I love to feel it, clapping, clapping, clapping. Clapping, clapping. Activation time. You ready now? C to the A, to the AMP. Jive with the jump, won't let me go long. Active, active, active.
We will see y'all in St. Lucia in September.
St. Lucia, September 2024. We're coming back. Hello. Hello. We have to. Hello. Hi.
Bye y'all in September. My birthday, we back at it, okay? Septiembre, October, November, December. That every month is
You bad in bum bum. You bad in bum bum. When all girls take English, new position you unleash. Cause you bad in bum bum. You bad in bum bum. Boom. Walk it, set it, walk it, set it, walk it, set it.
I me say family. Sure. If I want thing, me hate a fern killer. Me no believe in a fern killer. Family. I me say family.
It's locked in.
We're locked in.
We're locked in.
We're buying a house. We're just gonna live here now.
We got a house. Wait for our Travis business coming soon.
Travel business.
Got that Airbnb. I mean, why not fuck with us?
Hey.